Hi everyone. Today we are going to build a simple counter app using React.js. So let's start. First we need to go on React.js website. Here we can find installation process. Yeah, this. We need to paste this command in our terminal. We are going to use JS, so we can remove these things. Enter. And we are going to use React with JavaScript for now. And enter. Here we have a my app folder. Inside that we have all the folders. Our React app is still building. We have to wait some time. Yeah, here we go. Here you can see this local host. We can visit on this local host, and yeah, you can see here we are going to build a simple counter app basically. So just remove all these files from the app.jsx. Here you can use RAFC for the boilerplate of React, and we are going to use state count set count. Initially we are going to put zero value inside the use state, and we can take a simple heading count, which will depend on the count state. There here is the two state count and set count. This is the initial value of count, which is 0, and we can make two buttons. One is increment and second one is decrement. This is basic, pretty basic, not anything fancy. And we can now let's see how it is looking. Where it is, we are unable to find the things. First remove all the CSS from also app.jsx, sorry, CSS. Now we can see we can see still count increment and decrement is not working. So we need to add functions inside the buttons. Add event listener on click. We can make function here, but we are going to make inside the curly bracket here only. Take a callback function where set count will be count plus 1. Similar in decrement it would be count minus 1. Yeah, here we go. And this will update the count value inside the counter app. So let's refresh. You can see our counting is increasing and decreasing. Also, you can use increment by 10 or decrement by 10 here. Increment by 10, decrement by 10. and here now let's see. Yeah, it is increment by 1, decrement by 1, increment by 10. You can see our counter IP is working perfectly, and decrement by 10. Yeah. So this is all for today.